chillin' and caution. We be smoking up on sativa, kicking back and relaxing, sipping on the roof with my people. I was riding through the boulevard, thinking of the old days when all the homies would kick it and talk about the fantasies. Living the life of a broke adolescent, a young Hispanic kid who would rebel against the system. Young, wild, and free is what a nigga wanted to be. Enjoying the youth and all the people who was fucking with me. Living the life of a motherfucking boss. Riding in my bucket with a smile cause I floss. No materialistic things that I need up in my life. Dressed in all black as we ride through the night. Rolling on some loot, sipping on my brew. Chilling on a Sunday afternoon, hanging on the screw. Dipping and I'm swerving, blunt stay burning. Maxing at the barbecue and drinks they be serving. Sunshine hits my face, ride through the Cali Boulevard every day. Don't give a fuck what the mother niggas say, cause it's my life, I can live it anyway. Sunshine hits my face, ride through the Cali Boulevard every day.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. So for today's video, we are going to be installing some blinking brake lights. You heard it, blinking brake lights. And I am super excited for these. I have seen these at so many car meets. I've seen these on the freeway. I've seen them driving down the street. Not only is it functional, but it looks cool as hell, if you ask me. So let's get into it. So the blinking brake lights that I went with are called Allah Lighting. It's premium and high illumination, and basically it's all in the name. When you press on the brakes, the brake lights will blink, I believe 5 times, and then it just stays lit after that. Alright, let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. I am terrible at opening boxes. I always just end up ripping everything, even when I try doing it nice and neat. Oh yeah, we got it. Okay. Oh, cool. Oh, interesting. Okay. I did get these off of eBay. I believe they were $20 or like $19.99. So again, I'm going to just step on the brake lights so you guys can see how they are currently working. And then I'll show you how to remove your tail light. I said headlight earlier, but tail light. I'm going to show you how to remove your tail light, and then I'm going to install one just so you can see the comparison of the blinking versus non-blinking. Alright, so to remove your tail lights, what you are going to be needing is nothing more than a Phillips head and a little bit of strength. So you have your 2 Phillips heads, one here and one here. Once you remove those, kind of just wiggle it out, play with it a little bit, and then we'll see where the light bulb is from there. Perfect. Okay, let me re-angle this. Okay, so upon taking it out, I believe this big one is your actual light. So it's a twist and pull. There we go. Oh. But I'm going to leave this here, and I just actually want to test if this is the light before removing anything. So if you see that little light bulb light up, then you got the right one. That one right there. Alright, so we do in fact have the correct light bulb. Like I said, it is just a twist and pull, so you twist it one way, pull it, and the light bulb comes out. Now these are going to be our new blinking brake lights. Okay. And it does go in a specific way. you have to put this connector end right there, like so. I should have removed the old one first. Okay, well, I'm gonna hold it like this so I don't damage anything. This one is pretty simple. You push down, turn, and release as well, like so. And this only goes on one way, so you can't really mess it up. Push down, turn, and it's now locked in place. Okay, gonna now just push this in, turn. Alright. I'm not gonna bolt this down just yet because I want to see if it actually works. Okay, like I said, this side is not yet bolted down, so I do not have the trunk closed all the way. I just want to see if this works before going ahead and tightening everything down and then throwing away the old bulbs. Alright, so we just tested it out and it does in fact work. It actually only blinks 3 times. I was led to believe it blinked 5 times, but it blinks 3 times and it's still pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this side up, do the same to the other side, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Also, really quick, before ending this video, I know I said I was going to throw these away. However, I am going to keep them. I'll just keep them in my room. Just in case, for whatever reason, these lights are faulty, I can always throw on the OEMs. I can always throw the OEMs back on. Alright, you guys, so we just finished that up, and I think it looks super cool. I just saw what it looked like in the camera, and I'm beyond happy with it. For 20 bucks, like blinking brake lights, that's super sick, super cool. Another easy install for you guys. All you needed is a flathead screwdriver. Scratch that. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and the actual blinking brake lights themselves. Like I said, I did get it off of eBay from a seller called Allah Lighting, or Allah Lights, I believe. So if you thought this was cool, go ahead and leave a like down below. Share it with your friends. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I should try out any other brands. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope to catch you on the next one, and stay safe. Please stay safe, wash your hands, and just avoid like social gatherings if you don't need to, just with the whole coronavirus and everything. But stay safe, everybody. I'll catch you on the next video. Take care and have a great one. I don't know if you guys can see me, but the purpose of the blinking brake light is not only so it looks cool, not only so it's braking next, but because whenever you're driving down the freeway or down the street, sometimes you press on your brakes, or sometimes there's a car in front of you that presses on their brakes, but you don't really see it, and you kind of see it once you get close to the car and you have to stop abruptly. So in order to avoid that, blinking brake lights is designed to catch the driver's attention behind you to let them know, hey, this guy is stopping, I need to slow down, or I need to stop as well. Alright, so to remove your